Did you know that a simple cup of tea could hold the key to unlocking a world of health benefits? It's true. Clove tea, brewed from the aromatic clove spice, is a treasure trove of wellness, offering a surprising array of health-boosting properties. From soothing digestive discomfort to promoting oral health, clove tea is a simple yet powerful addition to your daily routine. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of clove tea and discover the remarkable benefits it holds. For centuries, cultures around the world have recognized the potent properties of cloves, incorporating them into traditional medicine and culinary practices. Today, modern science is catching up, uncovering the scientific basis for cloves' remarkable health benefits. Compounds like eugenol, found abundantly in cloves, are responsible for their anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antioxidant effects. These properties make clove tea a valuable ally in promoting overall well-being. In the following sections, we will explore the numerous ways clove tea can enhance your health, from easing digestive woes to bolstering your immune system. We'll delve into the scientific evidence supporting these claims and provide practical tips for incorporating this remarkable beverage into your daily life. Get ready to unlock the surprising benefits of clove tea and embark on a journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Before we dive into the incredible benefits of clove tea, let's take a closer look at the star ingredient, the clove. These small, aromatic flower buds, native to the Maluku Islands in Indonesia, are more than just a culinary spice. They are tiny powerhouses of nutrition, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Cloves are particularly rich in eugenol, a powerful compound responsible for their distinctive aroma and numerous health benefits. Eugenol exhibits potent anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antimicrobial properties, making it a valuable natural remedy for a variety of ailments. In addition to eugenol, cloves contain other beneficial compounds like flavonoids, tannins, and triterpenoids, all contributing to their impressive health-promoting profile. The unique combination of nutrients and bioactive compounds in cloves makes them a valuable addition to any diet. However, enjoying cloves in the form of tea offers a particularly potent and convenient way to reap their benefits. Brewing cloves in hot water extracts their beneficial compounds, creating a soothing and flavorful beverage that can be enjoyed daily. Clove tea boasts a rich history, dating back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, including the Chinese, Indians, and Egyptians, recognized the therapeutic properties of cloves, incorporating them into various traditional medicine practices. In ancient China, cloves were highly valued for their ability to freshen breath and were even presented to the emperor before an audience. In India, Ayurveda, the ancient system of medicine, has long revered cloves for their digestive, pain-relieving, and antiseptic properties. Cloves were used to treat a wide range of ailments, from toothaches and headaches to digestive issues and respiratory infections. Similarly, in ancient Egypt, cloves were used in embalming practices and as a fragrance due to their antimicrobial and aromatic properties. Today, clove tea continues to be enjoyed worldwide, not only for its flavor but also for its remarkable health benefits. Modern research is validating the traditional uses of cloves, uncovering the scientific basis for their therapeutic effects. From promoting oral health to easing digestive discomfort, clove tea has earned its place as a valuable natural remedy for a variety of health concerns. Incorporating a daily cup of clove tea into your routine can lead to a myriad of health benefits. Let's explore some of the most notable ways this aromatic beverage can enhance your well-being. Clove tea is a natural digestive aid, helping to soothe an upset stomach, reduce bloating, and relieve nausea. The eugenol in cloves helps to relax the smooth muscles in the digestive tract, promoting healthy digestion and reducing discomfort. Regular consumption of clove tea can contribute to a happier, healthier gut. Beyond digestion, clove tea can also bolster your immune system. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which help to protect your body from damage caused by harmful free radicals. These antioxidants, along with the antimicrobial properties of eugenol, can help to strengthen your body's natural defenses and reduce the risk of infections. Furthermore, clove tea exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable ally in managing inflammatory conditions. The eugenol in cloves helps to inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory compounds in the body, potentially providing relief from pain and inflammation associated with conditions like arthritis. Let's delve deeper into the digestive benefits of clove tea. If you're prone to digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, or indigestion, clove tea can be a soothing and effective remedy. The eugenol in cloves acts as a carminative, meaning it helps to relax the muscles in your digestive tract, allowing gas to pass more easily and reducing bloating. Clove tea can also help to relieve nausea and vomiting. The aromatic compounds in cloves have a calming effect on the stomach, reducing the urge to vomit. Next time you're feeling nauseous, try sipping on a warm cup of clove tea for relief. Furthermore, clove tea can help to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which are essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. This can improve overall digestive efficiency and reduce symptoms like indigestion and heartburn. If you experience frequent digestive discomfort, consider making clove tea a regular part of your diet. Sipping on a cup after meals can help to promote healthy digestion and alleviate discomfort. However, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor if you have any underlying digestive conditions. Clove tea isn't just beneficial for your gut, it can also work wonders for your respiratory system. The expectorant properties of cloves can help to loosen phlegm and mucus in the respiratory tract, making it easier to cough up and providing relief from congestion. If you're suffering from a cold, cough, or bronchitis, sipping on warm clove tea can help to soothe your throat, clear your airways, and promote easier breathing. The warm steam from the tea can also help to open up nasal passages, providing relief from a stuffy nose. Furthermore, the antimicrobial properties of eugenol in clove tea can help to fight off respiratory infections. Eugenol has been shown to exhibit antibacterial and antiviral activity, potentially reducing the duration and severity of respiratory illnesses. To maximize the respiratory benefits of clove tea, try adding a teaspoon of honey and a squeeze of lemon juice. Honey coats and soothes the throat, while lemon juice provides a boost of vitamin C, further supporting your immune system. Clove tea's pain-relieving properties have been recognized for centuries, and modern science is beginning to understand why. Eugenol, the active compound in cloves, acts as a natural analgesic, numbing pain and reducing inflammation. One of the most well-known uses of clove for pain relief is in dentistry. Clove oil has long been used to numb toothaches due to its potent analgesic properties. Similarly, clove tea can provide relief from toothaches and gum pain. Sipping on warm clove tea or swishing it around your mouth can help to alleviate discomfort. Beyond dental pain, clove tea may also provide relief from headaches, particularly tension headaches. The relaxing and analgesic properties of eugenol can help to ease tension in the head and neck muscles, reducing headache pain. While more research is needed to fully understand the pain-relieving potential of clove tea, anecdotal evidence and traditional use suggest that it can be a valuable natural remedy for mild to moderate pain. However, it's important to consult with your doctor if you're experiencing persistent or severe pain. Clove tea isn't just a tasty beverage, it can also contribute to a healthy smile. The antimicrobial properties of cloves, particularly eugenol, make clove tea a valuable ally in promoting oral health. Eugenol has been shown to inhibit the growth of bacteria that contribute to tooth decay, gum disease, and bad breath. Regular consumption of clove tea can help to reduce the bacterial load in your mouth, promoting a healthier oral environment. Furthermore, clove tea's anti-inflammatory properties can help to soothe inflamed gums and reduce gum bleeding. If you're prone to gingivitis or other gum issues, incorporating clove tea into your routine may help to improve your gum health. In addition to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, clove tea can also help to freshen breath. The aromatic compounds in cloves neutralize odor-causing bacteria in the mouth, leaving your breath feeling fresh and clean. While clove tea is a delicious and convenient way to enjoy the benefits of cloves, there are other ways to incorporate this versatile spice into your life. Ground cloves can be added to both sweet and savory dishes, adding a warm, aromatic flavor. Try adding a pinch of ground cloves to your favorite apple pie recipe, pumpkin bread, or even chili for a unique flavor twist. Whole cloves can be used to infuse flavor into sauces, soups, and stews. Simply add a few cloves to your simmering dish for a warm, earthy flavor. Remember to remove the cloves before serving. Clove oil, extracted from cloves, is a potent essential oil with numerous therapeutic benefits. Clove oil can be diluted with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or almond oil, and applied topically to relieve muscle pain, toothaches, and skin infections. I've always been fascinated by the power of natural remedies, and clove tea has become a staple in my own wellness routine. I first discovered the benefits of clove tea years ago while dealing with persistent digestive issues. I was amazed by how quickly a warm cup of clove tea could soothe my stomach and alleviate discomfort. Since then, I've incorporated clove tea into my daily routine, enjoying its numerous health benefits. I find that a cup of clove tea in the evening helps to calm my mind and promote relaxation before bed. I also reach for clove tea whenever I feel a cold coming on or experience any digestive discomfort. The beauty of clove tea lies in its simplicity and versatility. It's a natural, affordable, and accessible remedy that can easily be incorporated into anyone's lifestyle. I encourage you to unlock the surprising benefits of clove tea for yourself and experience the transformative power of this ancient elixir.